Alrighty, first legit flag of the day. See, it's spinning away. Hopefully it's a nice trout. Brook Trout. I'll start filming now that we're no longer in a crowd of people. Start filming for you. My dad just got his first big brook trout of the day. I just missed my first legit flag. I had a nice brook trout earlier, but we were sort of fishing. His reservoir is very crowded, but it's nice and open now, so start filming. First perch of the day. There he is. Alright, so here's the interesting thing about this perch. It's got, I don't know if you can see on the camera, a tail in his mouth. A tail from a minnow. That other thing you see there's a butterworm. I was using a butterworm, I was not using a minnow. So I don't know exactly where that minnow came from, but yeah, somebody's bait got escaped, and this is a whole new hole that I drilled. That's funny.
Oh, good one.
Is it a brookie? Yeah, that's not huge. Or are you using a butterworm? Yeah. Alrighty, another brookie. I've just never gotten a fish on a tip-off.
Well, I have.
Well, yeah, not the right way. Definitely something. Might not be anything real big. It's got a night crawler on there of all things. Got a night crawler and monofilament line on a tip-up, so still a roughie, and the line's tangled. That's not how you're supposed to do it. That's not how you're supposed to do it. Put him in by hand. If he's gonna take line, let it slip. Let him take it. Looks like a nice one. Glove off. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Here you go.
Night crawler. That's a first for me.
There you go. Another nice trout. Brookie. Big brookie. Hold it for a second. Let him catch it. Hold him by the tail for a second. There he goes. Got a flag up at the same time. Oh, looks like he's just resetting it. It goes off again. Same time, I just got a nice little perch. Oh, trout are not the only thing in here. We also got all your basic panfish. Haven't caught any real big perch out of here yet, but there's a few. To film it, I want you to film it, and I want to show you the right way to do things, even if I miss it. All right, this one I think is on a butterworm, so it should be a little easier to hook, actually.
Oh, they go spinning fast.
Yeah, it's spinning fast. It's definitely a trout. The right way to do a tip-off. He's stopped. Even if I miss them, I'll show you the proper way. So like that, go like that, give yourself some slack line. And I'm just waiting for him to start tugging again, and give a little pull. Go on there. Got him. Not very big.
Huh?
Not very far.
Probably about 13 inches.
Alright, that's the way you're supposed to do tip-offs. And he's gonna be another keeper.
Okay, Braden's tip-off went up. And we're gonna see what's going on. And we don't see it spinning. Got him. This is on the minnow, our first one on the minnow. And a good sized perch. And it's tree branch. And the minnow came back out too.
Alright, this one's a big trout.